When I tell people that I homeschool, the responses I get most often are, I could never do that, and I wouldn't have enough patience to do that. But what if you didn't allow limiting beliefs like that in your life? What if you said, if God wants me to, I can, and I would? What if God has bigger plans for you and your family, a different path than the one you're on? I had limiting beliefs in my life recently. They were crushing. But when God said to me, yes, you can, I believed him. And he led me to places that I never imagined I would be.
I'm Jenny Phillips, the founder of the Good and the Beautiful Homeschool Curriculum, and my message to you is, you can. You might not have the patience now, but you can develop it. You might not get along well with your child, but you can learn to. You and your children can change. You and your children can swim against the tide, raise your sights, and find more joy and beauty in life. What does God have planned for you and your children? Finding that out is important. I guarantee you that if you are not deeply involved in your children's education, whether that is homeschool or not, and if you are not deeply involved in shaping your children's hearts through how and what they learn and read, God has more for you. And when you ask him to show you, he will, and you can do it.